now what you can do is that, as you know,
So hello guys,
artificial intelligence is now
welcome
available
to my
on
YouTube channel Techno Expert. So
which is AI.
now today I will again teach you
And now what
something
can you can do is that you
shortcut
can make
or a
shortcuts.
trick in a Microsoft Excel.
You can develop
I've
a
already
website
uploaded
using
many
AI,
videos regarding
and you
Microsoft
can sell
Excel
it
which you
on
can check
freelance,
on my YouTube channel
Upwork,
in the playlist.
Fiverr. You can
But
provide your
today I
services.
will teach you in
You can
how
sell
to make
that
a chart,
website which you develop.
chart
For example, you can
using a
make
function or a
any
command
order from the
in the Microsoft Excel.
Upwork or the Fiverr,
A
and then
chart
make a website,
or a
create
chart
an
is
image,
a
and then
way
upload it,
to
sell it.
show any
Now
data
how I will teach you.
visually.
For this, you don't
A
need
chart is
any
has always x-axis and the
everything
y-axis,
will be done by the
vertically and
artificial
horizontally.
intelligence.
Data.
How now
So
listen.
how to use it? Many people
For
are
this,
using chart to
you need to go
display,
to the Google. Write
for example,
go
marks,
goes
you know,
dot
like these
AI.
things, like
Okay,
these things,
AI is artificial intelligence.
right? So,
Enter it.
for example, in the
Just
school,
wait.
they are using to show the mask, or the people who are related to statistics are using for the stats
Very
purpose
easy. You can do
or
it
for the
very
percentage purpose. So
easily.
how to do it right? First of all, I will write it how
This, as you can see
to
that this is
make
what I am talking about. Focus your AI
a
website
chart
builder.
in
Hit upon
Excel.
it.
For example, the
Wait.
first thing is that I will teach you
Now
in multiple
here you
manners.
need to
So
type
first is that
your
you
in
enter
this
something
area
like
you need to
any
type
digit like
your
5,
email address.
9,
Okay.
and then you
So
enter
now I will teach you how it will be
3
done.
and
Or you
4.
choose
Now,
your
this is
any your
just example. Now
for
what you
example
will
I'm
do
using this,
after
and now
typing in data,
get your
you need
AI
to press
website.
Alt plus
Just wait a moment.
F1, F1, Alt plus F1. Now
This is
I will
right now
select
the
these,
AI. For
select
example,
these
this is
data,
the chat GPT
and then I will
or
press
AI
Alt plus
artificial
F1,
intelligence. Now
Alt plus F1,
for
and now as you
for
can see
what
that
purpose you are making the website, now that is
here
there.
is the data
Now for example you are
which
the
was
AI,
which
the
I was
artificial
talking about.
intelligence is asking you
Okay,
the main
and now you can
or
even
main category of your
change the style of this
website.
chart,
This is online store,
right?
A B lawn,
So this is the 5
portfolio,
5
mentoring,
vertically
courses,
shown,
offer services. Now for
and
example
then
I
3,
want to make a website about food,
and now this is the
and this
9,
website I will make and
and this
develop
is
and
2.
design, and then I will sell
You
it
can
on
even check
Upwork
different
or
in different manners.
Fiverr
For
or
example, this
any other person.
different, there are many styles
In dollars I will earn. Food
which
and
you like.
coffee.
It's up to you.
Now what?
Okay,
Now this is a subcategory. Kindly specify
this
the
but
name.
if you have
Now for
some
example
another,
I will select this.
another purpose,
This is what should I do? What should I do?
then what you have to do, you can even
There are
switch rows
multiple.
and column.
For example, this is a cake store.
You can see on the top there is an option switch
Bakery.
rows and column.
There
Now
is
you
a
can switch
restaurant,
the rows into columns
fast
and the
food
column the
restaurant.
rows.
So what should I
Look,
do? What should I do? For example, I'm using now fast food restaurant. This
now
is
this has been
the
changed.
easiest one,
This
I can say that.
this is something I want to show you.
Fast food
You
restaurant.
can even
I will
change the
click on
color.
the next is
For
cholesterol.
example, I'm using yellow color. This is just for
Now
example.
the AI will ask me some questions.
For example,
Can you
this
choose
style, I don't know which you people like or which you don't know, but
personalize your
it
website
totally depends on you.
with the
Yeah,
services you wish to offer
Excel is a very
in a
deep thing.
modified
You need
version?
to know and you need to learn.
Now, for example, I
I
want to
hope
make
you
a
like
website
this shortcut.
like
You just need to remember that after writing the
a
data, select that data and then press Alt plus
orange
F1.
snack. This can be done as well.
Only this.
Lunch snacks, breakfast
Thank
venue
you.
menu.
Thank you so much. Bye.
So